Sorry for my weird transition, but now we're going to talk about the damage and how the player receives damage. Damage is represented by the method called receive damage, which is this whole line right here. And then after that, we're going to talk about the pushback after the player or the enemy receives or getting hit. Let's talk about here first. So what this means in this line, the health tracker means that damage, and remember the damage value is 1. And the health tracker is a visual representation of the health on the health bar. So each time the player gets hits, we see that the value of the tracker goes down. This also does the same too in the this.health minus equal damage. This is the actual value that's being decremented right here for the health. So remember, we have the health at 3, we have damage at 1. So anytime the player gets hits, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 0. And then what we do is that we transition to the state, we set the state to state that hurt, and then the pushback is called from here. And if the health is equal or it's less than 0, then we change the state from being hurt to dying. And that's where the player will die, and then he will be respawned, or I should say reset. The pushback right here, so the pushback is all about when the player gets hit, he just moved by the opposite direction, right? So the OX stores the value before the player gets hit, and when the player gets hit, then there's a new value that's stored into that OX value. That's basically what it's saying. So the X value is being changed. Now, we talk about the damage, we talk about the initialization of the health bar, we talk about the tracker of the health bar, and we talk about the damage aspect. Now, we have to talk about the draw off the health bar for the player. It should be located in the player class, which extends the creature class. And the player class is not the only class that extends the creature class, but the beholder and the evil wizard also extends the creature class, meaning that it inherits whatever the creature class have, and we can also add more specific details to those classes, or more specific coding or implementation or syntaxes to that specific class. And now I'm going to just quickly talk about the draw, where we have the health bar, that draw, and we set that to green. What we were trying to do right here was like, once it get hit and it reached like a certain, like when the tracker itself reached like a certain length or certain width, I should say, then it would change to red. Well, sorry, if it reached in the middle, I should say, it would change to yellow. And then when it reached near to the ending, or when the tracker is almost finished, it should reach to the red. But that in our code wasn't working, so it was still green. We tried it multiple ways, but it didn't work. Let me get the game to run. Let me remove the menu and get the game to run to show you.